Good morning, class. So today we're gonna work with selection tool, layers, creating new layers. All of them will be mixed, combined into very once a complex assignment. Not difficult, but different things will be done through this assignment. Okay. Now I want to read the instructions which I posted on Google Classroom under your class. So today is Tuesday, January 23rd, almost end of January. And then I posted something called vegetable head. So students will create a vegetable head using images attached instructions. So what we're gonna do is first we're gonna go on Photopea. That's step number 1. Let's do that. And I am already in Photopea. Step number 2, create a 1000 by 1000 pixel project page. So we're gonna click on new project and then type 1000 by 1000. So it's a squaric, and then create and this is our page. Now next step is I want to make this page transparent. How would I do that? Any suggestions? Erase it, right? Let's get the eraser, erase tool, and we will erase it, but there will be a problem. No problem. Okay. So go on menu, and I make the size of your eraser bigger, so we can easily erase everything in several clicks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring it back to normal.
Hyundai Kona EV.
Next thing is I would like to add. You know what? We actually did not need this page. I just created it for having a project because I'll be adding images here. So I will not really need this. Okay. But anyways, let's go to your Google Classroom and then let's download those images. So you see these images. I think you have them in your Google Drive. So let's go to File, and then Open. So which one was it? Yes, we click on Open. So click on Open. We'll direct you to your Google Drive, and then download those images one by one. So first, I'm gonna go with tomato. It's Files, and then Open. Okay. Thank you. All right. I think I made a mistake. Okay, guys. Normally this is what you would do, guys. Look, let me fix my mistake. So normally this is what you would do. You would go to the folder where you have your picture, okay, and then you would just drag and drop it. But the problem with your device is yours is a Chromebook, so you don't have that option. You can't drag and drop things, right? That's why what you have to do is you have to go to File, and I think it's Open. Yes, that's the only, unless we have it here. Yeah, guys, this is the only option we have. Open and place. So tomato. Oh, never mind, guys. I'm correcting. I'm fixing it because I did not thought that it would give these problems with Chromebooks. So I'm gonna redo everything from scratch, guys. Here. So we have this blank page, right? No images at all. So what you wanna do is instead of just open, you wanna open and place, because if you open, it's gonna open as a different project. But I wanna open and place it within this project, right? So you want to click on Open and Place, and then locate your images in your Google Drive. So start with tomato. So tomato. Then you click on it again and then open and place, and then this time it's gonna be potato. If you guys look at the layers, you see each of these images are a separate layer. So that's a good thing. Now I'm gonna keep doing this process until you guys open and place all the images. What if I want to try selecting multiple images like this? Do you think it's gonna work? Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna add and place all of them at once. Here. Let's see if it's gonna do it. Yes, it does. So you see, every single image, it's in a different layer. That's what I'm trying to achieve. Putting images in different layers. I'm gonna continue. Now, what is the second step of the instruction says? It says, add all the attached images we did, right? Step number 4, each image has to be in a different layer. We did that. Step number 5, remove the background of every image. Now, that's the crucial part. So I'm gonna click uncheck all of them except leave only one layer. And then honestly, guys, this background, I don't need it. See, because it's blank, right? We can just delete it. So I have only broccoli, right? So how do I erase the background of broccoli? This is what you guys can do. You can use eraser tool. However, there's a much easier way to do. I'm going to introduce you to a tool called Magic Wand. The shortcut is W. If you guys click on Magic Wand, which is shortcut W, and you click on the white part of the image, look what happens. I have to click on broccoli here. So you see, it's kind of glowing. It is being selected, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press on delete, and then delete. Oh, another problem. Actually, Yadira asked me, what does this little tiny square on the side of your image means? It means it's a smart object. We need to make it into a raster image. So you want to make a right click on that image, and then click on rasterize. You see rasterize? Click on rasterize. And then that square is gone now, Yadira. Now after that, again, I'm going to click on Magic Wand, click on the white part of the image and press on delete, and you see all the white is gone. Now what do we do after we're done with selection tool? What do we do? Control D. Now you see I have my broccoli. Okay? Now let's uncheck broccoli because I deleted the background. You know what? I realized that we could have used that background. You know how? You know how? Because I don't see the back. So uncheck the broccoli. You see this eye? I need to make it invisible. I'm going to make visible the next one, kiwi. Make a right click on kiwi and rasterize it also. Okay. Now we use the same magic wand. Click on magic wand. Press on when it's white. Delete. You see, I still have some sort of color besides kiwi. I can erase the same thing with magic wand as well. So click on here. Delete. Click on here. Delete. Click on here. Delete. So what magic wand does is it deletes the similar image patterns. You guys following? Uncheck the kiwi, check in the mushroom, and do the same thing, guys. I need to make a right click on the mushroom and rasterize it as well. Make this smaller. The mushroom, you see, my mushroom has a dark background. So I will try to use the same magic wand. Not sure if it's gonna work. Let's try. Magic wand. Delete. Yeah, it works. Oops. All right. Control D. Now, you see this line didn't get erased with magic wand. So what can I possibly do to erase this line, guys? Because my magic wand did not erase it. I can use eraser, right? Just regular eraser, which is here, and just erase it. You see, I still can use eraser, but magic wand makes it accurate. Because with the eraser, I can erase the edges of my image and damaging it. That's why I'm avoiding using eraser. Okay. So I'm gonna continue. Uncheck the mushroom, check in the orange slice again. Make a right click, rasterize. Use the magic wand tool. Click on where the white part of the image. Click on delete. Control D. All right. Make it invisible. Check the parsley. Make it visible. Click on parsley. Make a right click. Rasterize it. Pick the magic wand tool. Click on white part of the image. Delete. And Control D. Control D is important. Click on potato. Make it visible. Uncheck the parsley. Make a right click. Rasterize it. Click on the white parts of the potato, delete, Control D. Click on tomato. You see, same thing with all images. Rasterize it. Click on white part of the image, delete it, Control D. So I have all these fruits. Like I'm gonna make them all visible. You see, I can now I can see all of them. Now, let me read the last stage of the instructions. Now, rearrange every image to the form of a vegetable head. So, in order to do that, I want to show you one very crucial move. So, you see this little tool here? It's called the Move tool. Can you guys see it? Move tool. It's right here. So, when you guys on the Move tool, there's something called transform control. You want to have a check on that one. You know why? Because if you check that one, it's gonna give you this tiny square boxes on the side of your image. It will allow you to make it smaller easily. Look, all I have to just drag those image squares and then makes things bigger or smaller. Okay. All right. So please, again, click on Move tool and then check this transform controls. Understood? Second crucial thing, you see it says auto select here. You know what that auto select means? It means you don't have to choose your layer every time. When you click on the image, it's going to automatically select your layer. So please have a check in here too. You see this is checked. Now look, I'm getting the images. I'm able to move them around without a hustle, because normally you would have to click on the layers one by one, right? But having this checked, that's not the case anymore. So let's make this kiwi small like this, because these are eyes. And now let's make that tomato also small. All right, move it aside. And then check. Then move the mushroom aside as well and make it smaller too. And then click on this check. And then this goes this side. And I have my orange slice. Make it bigger. Check. Put it on the side. And then this parsley, make it slightly bigger. Check. And then this potato. So I have to turn this. How do I turn it? If you click on the edge, it gives you this turn. You see, you can turn it like this. So this potato is going to represent the head. So make it bigger. and keep it like this. So tomato or kiwi? They're both. I agree. I would use tomato. Okay, guys, why I don't see tomato here? It's because it's behind potato. So I have to move it up like this. You see, I rearrange the layer arrangement. Now I can see it, right? Now I'm going to make it smaller like this. Okay, and then also use this kiwi. Make it much smaller, which will represent the pupil of my eyes. Here. So you see, I placed them like that. Now I need another pair of kiwi and tomato. How do I do that? Look, I need one more tomato slice. So if you guys click on this layer here, make a right click and then duplicate this layer. You see, duplicate the layer. And then just move one of the tomatoes to the side here. Again, duplicate the kiwi as well. And then move it on top of the other tomato. All right, these are eyes. Now, what do you think the parsley will represent? The nose or eyebrows? I think mushroom is nose. Like this, right? So let's use the parsley as eyebrows, like this. All right, I need another parsley. So you have to duplicate it as well. Get the other parsley and turn it like this. Okay, we ran out of time, guys. Can you guys save this? You know how to save it? File, export as, but export as to be, guys, it has to be which one? Guys, can you please save it as no, not GIF. PNG, I think. No. Which one is it? No, not JPEG, guys. Save it as GIF. Save it as GIF, guys. Because if you save it as GIF, it's going to preserve the layers. If you do PNG, it's going to put them together and you lost your images. So save it as a PNG and we're going to continue. All right, tomorrow. Thank you. GIF.